Our vocabulary, directions. We're going to place that X over the puzzle piece that is not. Ooh, then we have the symbol less than or equal to 15 and 9/10. All right, so this symbol means when it's pointing, remember the big mouth eats the big number. So if we make it like a little Pac-Man, how cute. Big mouth eats the big number. That line under it also means equal to. So this is going to be whatever number less than or equal to. So which is not less than or equal to? Not less than or equal to. So we're going to figure out what is greater than. So let's see. If we look over here, 15 and 9/10, less than or equal to, well, 15 and 9/10, 15 and 9/10, that's equal to. So it is not, it is equal to it, so that can't be it. Well, that is going to be one of our options, but okay. Well, that's correct. 15 and 8/10. Ooh, 15 and 8/10. That 8/10 is going to be less than, so that is less than or equal to. Let's see, we've got 2 and 21/100. Ooh, 2, that is less than. Yeah, 2 is less than 15. Over here we have 21 and 2/100. 21 is bigger than 15, so we are going to put that X over the green one. So put that X over that green one. And then that is going to be it for your vocab. Great job!